So we are proud to be one of the first few to own this 50th anniversary limited edition Brompton bike. So how does this 50th anniversary come about? So 50 years ago, Andrew Ritchie actually designed his first Brompton concept bike. Fast forward 50 years later, here we are now, doing the unboxing, right? So without further ado, let's get started. Wow, are you guys seeing this? The amount of detail on this is crazily insane. Everything just shout 50. Right, let's open this up. And here you are again greeted with another 50th anniversary. Right, so this looks something like a coin box, but when you open it, this is actually the 50th anniversary cable guard, all right, for your bike. The amount of details, insane, all right? Okay, I think it's very neat. They actually give a toolbox with this. I think this retail for about 100 plus-ish. You can put this inside the frame, so you can repair your bike, your tire, let's say if it's 40 orders. Yeah, you basically can do it on the move. Yeah, it's neat. So for those of you who have not seen the toolbox before, it comes with a wrench, right? Where you can add on to all these bits to do emergency repair, whatsoever. You have tire sleever, you have tire patch, right? It helps you with on-the-move repair. Alright, let's keep this back. Right, next, I think there's a saddle. Again, everything just screams 50. Alright, you can see the amount of 50 on this is insane. Next, this, I think we don't really have to go much into this. It's just a palm. Okay, next, what do we have here? Alright, it's something special that we have not seen in any of the unboxing. You see this 50th anniversary ergonomic grip. Alright, let's see what is it about. Pretty neat, not the best, but I guess it helped with your comfort, right? That's something good to have, I guess. Right? Of course, there are third-party ergon that, yeah, I think are way better than this. Next, we have the spoke reflector kit. I think none of you will be interested in putting this on your wheels. Yes. And what's this? Alright, a cert that say that it's a lacquer finish bike. Then again, take care of your lacquer bike. So again, once you open the box, everything just screams 50, all right? Oh! So as you can see, this is a bike that has a mixture of all the lacquer series that were produced in the past. You get the frame lacquer here, you get the black lacquer here, and I guess this is a blue lacquer. Alright, this is something neat. You actually have a telescopic seat post that help better with your ergonomics for taller riders. And what is special here, you actually get a limited edition plate. Right, everything here just shot 50 and it show you how many bikes it was produced out of 1,975 units, which that's the amount of bike that was produced. Then again, to shout 1975 to celebrate 50th anniversary of the Brompton. All right. Oh, it's something neat. This is the first time I see a champagne bell that was on a Brompton bike. The usual one is only black, bronze. Yeah. Something neat to have as well.